Wait, remember how I always wished and prayed for me to have ice powers? You mean those 7 years of your obnoxious voice wanting ice powers? Then yes, I do. Do you know what this means? What? Watch. Oh, wow. What'd you do this time? Whoa. Whoa. Hey, aren't you Nicole? Yes, why? This is for you. Thanks. What? Guide to control it. 1. Conceal, don't feel. Step 2, don't freak out. What is this? I don't get it. Step 3, don't let them know. Step 4, let it go. Oh, wait, another step? Wait, what is that? Queen Elsa of Arendelle. Queen Elsa of Arendelle? Who is that? What could this mean? I don't know. But whatever it is, she gave me the power, not my wish.